Hello everyone, welcome to Full Seller. In this video, we will explain how to sync listings from Amazon Store to TikTok Store. Full Seller's multiple store synchronization function can copy and migrate product information from or authorized Amazon stores to TikTok Store. Go to the Listing tab. Products listed under Active, Inactive, and Removed section can be synced to TikTok shops by either import to shops or copy by shop. Take the Remove section as an example. If you just need to sync single listing, you can choose Import to Shops. Click Remove button. You will see the list of products to be synced. Check the blank grid to select items you want to sync. Click Import to Shops button in the action bar or Import to Shops button in the action column of the list. Check store you want to sync. Select the brand and warehouse, and you can customize whether to synchronize the SKU mapping relations in the original store. Click the Import button. After the green progress bar is loaded, it means the synchronization is successful. Click View the generated draft button to view the products that have been synced, and the corresponding drafts have been generated in the TikTok draft list. Click Edit button in the action column of the list. You will enter the editing page to add other unfilled fields. Add or delete the product information you want to change under Product Info, Photo and Video, Specifics, Description, Pricing, Shipping section. Required fields are marked with a red asterisk. Click Save and Publish button to publish to TikTok Store and complete the update. If you think it's too troublesome to edit the products one by one, then you can use the Draft Batch Edit function. First of all, check the blank grid of the products you want to batch edit, then click Edit button. If there is no matching on the product category, you need to complete category matching before you can edit and publish them. Then you will see a list of products including photos and video, product name, MSQ, retail price, quantity, brand, weight, dimension, and description. You could modify the information you want to edit. Finally, click Save and Publish to finish the batch draft editing and product publishing. Please note that under the suspended column, the platform will automatically capture the upload status. Under Reviewing, you can see the product being reviewed. If it is not published successfully, add it in field and upload it again. In the frozen state, it is an illegal product that is prohibited from being published. If you want to sync the whole Amazon store, you can choose Copy by Shop. Click Copy by Shop button. In the Copy From column, select the commodities that needs to be synced in bulk according to the three types of Active, Inactive, and Removed. In the Copy To column, select the target platform, store name, brand, and warehouse. Choose Copy or Skip to decide whether to skip the product, including deleted product in this shop, which has already been copied to the target shop or not. Please note that customize whether to synchronize SKU mapping relations in the original store. Click Import. Add or delete the product information including product info, photo and video, specifics, description, pricing, and shipping you want to change. The step is same as import shops. No matter you choose to edit individually or in bulk. That concludes our introduction to complete process for syncing Amazon listings to TikTok. If you have any questions or suggestions using it, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.